These are the new Ray-Ban Meta Smartglasses, and their slogan literally reads, listen, call, live stream. And most of the time, tech promises us these amazing features. And specifically with wearable tech, it just made me wonder, when have we ever seen this? When have I ever been able to listen, call, and then live stream as well? So we're gonna take a look at the shiny caramel version and unpack how they work, who they're for, and most importantly, why do you need these in your life? The first thing that I can tell you is that this has been an amazing month. This, for me, seamlessly integrates into my life because I love recording videos. I would love something that takes me away from my phone, but also doesn't compromise the quality of the content that I make. Okay, so let's talk about how these work. They sit in this beautiful case, right? But it's just not a case, as you can see with the light over here. It's really also a charging station. And if you have this with you all the time, you really are good, because not once has this case disappointed me in terms of battery, where now I can't be recording or I can't be listening to something because, well, my case is down, so therefore my glasses are down. It's not too far-fetched, so it looks like a normal case. The charging port is secretly hidden underneath as well. If you open them, I mean, the quality just screams at you, right? The glasses sit on this notch, and the minute that you put the glasses inside, they're charging. You pretty much use the MetaView app, which is its own conversation, to operate this. You pair it to your phone, and immediately when you wear it, you should be able to hear that sound saying you're good to go. It's connected to your phone and your glasses are on. Most times people can't see it, but there's so much tech going on here, right? On the frame is where your 5 microphones sit. Your speakers sit right above your ears so that you can listen. And then you have pretty much this, the main control, where you press it and it starts recording, or you press it and it takes a photo. So this is where my camera is. And then also on this side, I have an LED light to basically signal that yes, I am taking a video. And it's supposed to be telling other people that I'm taking a video. But in all honesty, who is noticing this? Like, who's sitting there noticing that there's a light blinking? It's very subtle, in my opinion. You and I are obviously just like looking for it, so now you can see it. But a normal person, I haven't had one person be able to actually say, okay, I can see that you're recording me, until I tell them so. I also haven't had any person look at the camera this side and see that, oh, this is actually a camera. I also haven't had an experience where someone looks at the frames and they actually see that, hey, there's a lot going on inside the frame of these glasses. Like, if we look at the glasses, really, like, who is able to tell that these are smart glasses compared to normal everyday sunglasses? The extra feature over here is that the Ray-Ban Metas actually are sunglasses, because they're great in terms of just like blocking the sun from your eyes. The glasses are connected to my phone. Bluetooth is on my phone. I'm gonna try to press this notch over here to play whatever would be playing on my phone. Okay, that's interesting. I've actually never tried that. I've never tried listening to music and then capturing a video. So I just did that right now, and I found out that the minute that I capture a video, that's when the glasses stop playing the music. So I'm gonna switch this off, and then I'm gonna resume. Oh, okay. The minute that I stop playing the video, the music starts again. So I'm gonna take my microphone and bring it near to the speaker so that you guys can hear what I'm listening to. I'm sorry, my baby, ngicela uxolo. Ngikuxolele, my baby, you didn't mean it. Ooh. Okay, that's enough. Okay, so that was a lovely experience. Lovely morning jam. I mean, the way in which I hear is unmatched. I personally, that was the one thing that stood out for me. It's the sound, or rather audio quality of the speakers, and then number two would be the video quality. We're gonna go into that now. But really, just listening to a podcast, listening to music whilst I'm wearing my glasses. Don't do it in the car. Don't take a call in the car with this whilst you're driving. Would not recommend. Don't do that. Listening feature absolutely meant. And I think there's no compromise in quality. Like, it's exactly what I would expect in glasses that promise that, hey, you can actually listen as well. Okay, so in addition to being able to listen, they also promise that I can call on these.
Please don't forget. Oh, the paper. Yeah, I think. Yeah. When you come, may you please come with it.
With the 5 microphones, I can even record the audio from the glasses. So I'm gonna put my phone like so far away. Okay, sure. Ngizoliphatha iphepha, but then ungitshela ukuthi ngisuke ngoba isikhathi. In fact, senihawufani nalapho. I mean the microphone quality, guys. So the audio quality from the speakers and also the quality from the microphones, no compromise there. Love that so much. Like, they've done a good job. The video quality, absolutely amazing. Photo quality, absolutely amazing. It's no difference to your normal phone. You're not compromising quality in terms of video. You're just compromising recording limits for sure. Okay. Amanzi?
No.
How?
What?
Nazo. Cheers. The 12 megapixel camera right over here. One thing I'll tell you about it, of course my normal iPhone 13 is better, but also which other device has a camera this small but doesn't compromise on quality? Okay, so over and above being able to take videos, take content, I can also live stream as well. And for me, the only thing I have to say about that feature is that, wow, it's such a look into where content is going, right? Imagine a POV live video. Like, imagine you are in a class cooking, or you're attending a festival and you go live with these. It's gonna be a live video, but a live video showing the person's POV. Instead of person speaking to camera, the audience is able to see what the person is even experiencing, right? And that kind of takes a whole new level to live videos, where you're not speaking to the audience, you're not telling the audience, hey guys, this is what's happening now, but you're actually going with them everywhere you go. One thing I will say about it though is that you have to just be careful. I say a lot of things, everything and anything, and I've had to be careful with that. Not that I go live a lot on my personal social media platforms, but I've noticed that if you use such a feature, you really just have to be careful, because the sound quality is good, the microphone quality is good. We just figured that out now. So imagine now, like, you're saying and reacting to whatever you're seeing, and maybe your reaction isn't the most positive. You've shared that with people. So unless you're very comfortable with people knowing all of your reactions, that's great. Of course, there has to be negatives of the smart glasses, right? And I'm gonna tell you about negatives from a content creator's perspective. Like, I use these not so much to listen. If I'm wearing them, yes, I will take a call from them. but I really use these for content. It's been helpful over the past few months to not use my phone, like just go to an event and have these on and capture content. So I went to the Nike event and really amazing, perfectly gelled with my outfit. But the Nike event was hosted at a venue where there is parts of the venue that are underground, if I can put it like that. So low lights on this, not the best, right? So it makes me think that capturing with these at night, not the best experience. So it's definitely a daytime, well-lit situation experience for me, right? Number 2 on my list of cons has to be the recording limit. Yes, I do understand that it signals short form content. It's absolutely accommodating the person who loves making TikToks and just meshing their entire day at the end of maybe a festival or something. Absolutely understand that. The positive there is that you don't have to take your phone out, go to the camera, but you can really just press and hold, and already it's capturing the experience. So the recording limit's quite a problem, because imagine 60 seconds ending, but then the thing that you really needed happened at 61 seconds, you know? So now you have to go through that process of pressing and holding again for it to continue the video. That was the thing that I had a problem with, that it's not a continuous video. It stops and you have to start it again. It stops and then you have to start it again. Another thing that absolutely irritates me is the aspect ratio. So on TikTok, the aspect ratio is 9:16. On Instagram, 9:16. Why in the world is the aspect ratio here 3:5 or 3:4? Like the fact that, okay, cool, if I put it into my editing software, I have to zoom it in a bit, compromise the quality. Why? You know, like most things that we use to record, they record at 9:16. Why was that the case? You know, why was that the case, that they did it at 3:5? I'm very disappointed with that. That's all I have to say about it. A glasses wearing person, I think another con that I definitely recognize is the weight behind the ears. So my normal everyday glasses weigh like 24 grams, which really is nothing. And then these ones weigh 52 grams, which also is nothing. But the weight behind the ears, the pain behind the ears. Listen, I can't wear this for more than 2 hours. So that was the disappointments that I had. I will say though that these are a large, so maybe if I find a size perfect for me, that would make sense. So if anything, I would actually want to do the matte black frame with my prescription lenses and in my size, right? Finally, who is this for? I think, as I said before, this is an accessory. It really isn't a thing where you need it, but I think this is a lovely device for a lifestyle vlogger, TikTok content creator, that short form content creator. This for me, with my prescription lenses, absolutely a need, right? Because I capture content, because I've been happy with the short form content that I've been able to create with it. I think for me, definitely a buy. So I'll give it an 8 out of 10 because of the video quality, because of the microphone quality, and because of them just accommodating the future of content. Live streaming, doing short form content that detaches you from your phone, that for me is a bonus. Absolutely no idea why I did not record an outro for this video, but if you like the video, please do share it on your stories. You can actually get the Ray-Ban smart glasses from 180by2, your trusted platform for everything tech. Leave a comment below, let me know what you thought of the video, the glasses, and of course the tech. Anyway, I don't even know how this goes anymore, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.